Hello to my Facebookers and YouTube family. Yes, we here at Daughters of the Jamaican Soil are getting ready to drive down to Rev Down to fly down to Jamaica. And here we have 4 set of carriage for you. Yes, whatever the size of your family, they can hold in it. So just throw your greetings right there in your heart while you're traveling down there with us. And let us move down to Jamaica where we can show some love. Yes, show some love through sending your prayers and well wishes, through say it in 2 minutes, or just a poem or a song. Anything to make your Jamaicans feeling welcome and happy and ready for this Christmas season, and not to mention some good old prayer. Say it for your people. So they are listening to hear from you. Whatever the size of your family, we can hold. The carriages are ready for you. I think my family can hold in this one, so I'll take this one. Daughter or a son that have friends, they can hold in this one. And if you have a small family with just mother, father, and child, they can hold in that one. Anyone you want to hold in, just get yourself ready, get your family, get your thought, get your prayers, get everything ready. Say it in 2 minutes. Yes, send your greetings to Daughters of the Soil to you at gmail.com, or text your poem to 250-464-4118. Yes, we are ready. Let's get those prayers, those greetings ready. Jamaica, here we come. The carriages are ready.